Some people say there's no place like home. Some people say there's no place to go. Every day people say they wanna change, yeah. We'll find a way, we'll find a way.
Yeah, I got a question. Why is it the more that I know, the more that I find? Every single thing I've been told is just a lesson. As I'm trying to see down the road, I know that my time is giving me a reason to grow. I'm done with guessing, finally feel I'm dreaming of hope. Killing these lies, as love is always feeding my soul. Learning that death is something that is keeping control. But when you break out of the mystery, freedom is yours. I've stayed patient, wondering why this world is so strange. Thinking it's me, when it's really just the world of today. This education, with so many turning away. We're all human, but ain't nobody learning the same. I'm trying to find a purpose to change, while I see so many people so concerned with the fame. It's like we're all actors rehearsing a play. Look at this world, I'm encouraged to pray. I'm encouraged to pray.
Some people say there's no place like home. Some people say there's no place to go. Every day people say they wanna change, yeah. We'll find a way, we'll find a way.
Living in this world filled with many contradictions. Stop and listen to the spirit before falling victim to the same traps I fell in. I pray that you all listen, thinking that I'm really not just talking fiction. But these days good advice is not appreciated. We all learn to love our life but then agree to hate it. God, we need the prayers, I'm calling deep for favors. Cause it's us against the world, we gotta be the bravest. Striving for these goals, but what is it I'm chasing after? An education master's, I'll be the greatest rapper. But without the gift of love, I will fade to blackness. Cause life's a game of good and evil, snakes and ladders, going up and down, rolling the dice, knowing the price of playing is provoking a fight between the inner me that's innocent, broken and crying, and the liberty that's limitless, is hoping to try and stay alive.
Some people say there's no place like home.